Add your website link to your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your website link to your Facebook. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here go to your profile. Now click on edit profile and scroll down and you're gonna find links. Click on add beside the links. And here they're gonna tell you that links you set to public will appear here in your intro and won't post in your feed. Now all you need to do is you have add social link or add website. Click on add a website. Now you add past your link, your website address link. And this is it. If you are done, click on save to save your edit links on your profile information on Facebook. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.